Listen up. What if the biggest betrayal of your life wasn't from a partner or a friend, but from you? Your future self is watching this moment through your eyes. Every snooze button, every just one more episode, every skipped workout. Each one is a direct vote against the life you promised yourself. UCLA researchers discovered something wild. Your brain treats future you like a stranger, and that's why it feels so easy to screw that person over. Think about it. You'd swipe a stranger's last pizza slice without hesitation, right? That's why betrayal feels cheap. But today, we close that gap. And the fix? Simpler than you think. Picture this. 5 years from now, your ideal day. You're fit, calm, bills on auto-pay, working on something that fires you up, not just pays the bills. Now rewind to this morning. Alarm goes off. You hit snooze. Neuroscientists call it present bias. But in any other context, we'd call it a toxic relationship. Let's call it what it is: betrayal. Every lazy choice is a stab wound to the version of you already living in that better future. Do it daily and you rack up 1,800 micro-betrayals a year. No relationship survives that many broken promises, and not even the one you have with yourself. Here's the truth. Science has already proven how easily your brain betrays you. Stanford's VR lab had people stare at a virtual version of themselves, aged 70. And the results? Wild. They instantly started saving 30% more for retirement. Why? Because for the first time, their brain saw that old person not as a stranger, but as them. You don't need a fancy VR headset to do this. You can hack your own brain. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Picture future you walking through the door tonight. Same height, same eyes, but calmer, stronger, debt-free. Feel that weight off their shoulders. See the quiet relief on their face. That emotional ping you feel right now? That's the neurological glue between today and 20 years from today. Memory fades, but emotion sticks. And if you can feel it, you can use it, starting now. So how do you rebuild trust with your future self? You lock in 3 commitments. Commitment 1, the one decision rule. Pick one single action your future self would high-five you for. Maybe it's drinking water first thing, saving $10, or writing 1 page. Then automate it. Set a phone reminder at 7 a.m. until it runs on autopilot. This isn't about perfection. It's about momentum. Simple, repeatable, powerful. Commitment 2, the 5-minute letter. Once a week, write a quick note to future you. Hey, I'm doing X this week so you can enjoy Y. Keep it short, keep it real. It locks your goals into language. It sparks follow-through. Lock it in. Commitment 3, the 2-chair check-in. Sounds cheesy, but it's pure gold. Put an empty chair across from you. Speak your excuse out loud. Then switch chairs. Answer as your wiser self. Therapists swear by it because it hijacks the brain's empathy circuits. For once, you argue on your own side, and you see your struggle through the eyes of future you. 3 commitments. That's the blueprint. Use them, and you stop betraying tomorrow. Here's the problem. We overeat because sugar is seconds away. We overspend because Amazon is 1 click. Flip that script. Make the reward of future you just as visible as the temptation in front of you. Change your phone lock screen to something that screams your goal. A marathon finish line, a debt-free balance sheet, or the image of the person you want to become. Every glance isn't just a reminder. It's a mini visualization. Your brain starts craving that future with the same fire it craves cookies or scrolling. Make it inescapable. Every glance is a rep for future you. Your environment isn't neutral. It's the silent referee of your choices. Want to run more? Put your shoes by the door tonight. Studies show proximity increases follow-through by 40%. Want to eat cleaner? Prep the veggies on Sunday. Put them at eye level in the fridge. Every piece of friction you remove from a good decision Every obstacle you add to a bad one. That's not just discipline, that's design. And design always beats willpower. Rig the fight in your favor, and future you will cash in. Look, time travel is real. It's called a decision. The next choice you make, right after this video, either compounds into the life you want or erodes it. Your future self isn't some distant dream or mystical stranger. They're right there, one heartbeat away, living in the house your habits are building today. Every rep, every page, every dollar saved is a brick in their foundation. And every betrayal, it tears that house down. So stop ghosting your future self. Stop adding to the pile of betrayals. Most people quit here. You won't. Start acting like you actually give a damn about that person, because they are the only you who can pull you out of this mess, or take you to heights you can't imagine. One decision at a time. Stop betraying the person you will become. Start partnering with them. Build the bridge.